It's a beautiful October day. We don't get much better than this, so
we're going out and getting some shenanigans.
Shenanigans.
And by the way, we hit our 1,000 subscribers. Thank you guys who subscribed.
Yes, thank you.
Now let's get those views up.
Yes.
Get that monetized and watch the magic.
Comment, like, help us out. And if you know, we got a TikTok. Our TikTok's going pretty good. Go check that out as well. And I know we forget about it, so don't you forget about it. Go to Instagram. We got a lot of stuff we post on there, a lot of pictures, a lot of videos. Be sure to check that out.
We do?
I know. I forget about Instagram. We do. But you know what? We got really good reels, all that stuff. So yeah, hit that up. And let's go. Let's go. We're out here. You know there's gonna be cars out somewhere. Yes. And we're gonna go find them.
Yep.
Because that's what we do. We're gonna go back to what we used to do all the time. We're gonna go find the supercars.
Yep.
Let's go.
Eric, how bad do you want one of these?
Okay, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna take the S2000 over the Porsche GT. No, I'm joking.
I would love to drive one of these S2000s. These are amazing.
I know.
Say hi, Brandon.
Hi.
You remember Brandon from all of our other blogs? LC 500.
See, okay. I know a lot of you guys get on us. You say Porsche. You know, that's not how you say Porsche. So it's Porsche. Porsche. Okay.
Porsche.
Okay, Sean.
And you were
we
saying
need an old school Viper, right?
yeah.
Oh.
Me personally, I like the other Viper that we got video of over there.
Okay, you like a little newer.
I like the newer ones.
Yeah.
Because like Burlacker says, fat people in little cars. You gotta squeeze into this.
Yeah, but you have the same baby Burlacker head.
Yeah,
so you can let it ride out the top, but you'd have to put on one of them winter hats.
Yep. My bunny ears.
Yay!
But I do like these. These are nice. I'll take the black one.
Yeah, I like the striping on it. But what a beautiful location to have a car show.
I know.
A house like this on a beautiful October day. The leaves are changing. I still can't get over this. Look at that. Look across the street.
That's just a beautiful view.
There's a Shelby Cobra across the street. Sean, go into a montage of that.
I love this shirt.
Ready? Here you go. 3, 2. No, that's a 1. 3, 2.
You can't count.
You're foda, né?
When you have cars like this in one spot, then you go, guy across the street just shuts down the whole car show. Put this one right here, Shelby Cobra. That thing's nasty.
This?
Yes.
Yes. Officially licensed.
And this is a real Shelby.
Shelby Cobra. No kit cars here, buddy.
Nope, no kit cars. And it even has butterfly. Look at it. Powered by butterflies. This thing is nasty. up so he doesn't scrape it.
Take your time, take your time.
That is just nasty. Look at that P1. SF90. Look at these cars. Brandon, I'm such amazed with this big old house. Are you?
Yeah.
Now, I'm grateful for the house that we do have, but this one, it's got the tunnel. Look at this AMG, nice little 2-car garage with the wheels. Another garage right there. Another garage. Just look at these cars. Eric fell in love with the P1 and the SF90 that came through. I'm just over here admiring the house. Look at this. Nice tunnel. This would be awesome, right, Brandon?
Yeah.
Brandon likes dodging the cameras. He's shy. Check this out. Nice front yard. Look at all brick. Now, I grew up in the city of Chicago, in the projects actually. And for the house that I have now, I'm very grateful. But this is the status that we're going to be looking to get at.
Honey.
All right, guys, that is the end of our vlog. We are leaving the badass house with the amazing cars.
312 supercars. Go check them out.
Yep. Till next time, stay humble.
Hold on 1 second.
I'm interrupted.
I know. Remember we were showing you, that was like a German car show. But then the P1 and the SF90 came through and said, we're gonna take over this car show. But back to whatever Sean was saying.
Squirrel, they have horses. All right, guys, till next time, stay humble. Make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button and comment on our videos. Later.